compared with the general disassembly fixture. The area of phone disassembly fixture 2.0 in ASCs has reduced by 75%. Its volume has reduced by 90%, and its weight has reduced by 77%. A threaded lead screw is added for rear cover removal, which controls to what extent the rear cover is opened, and provides mistake proofing. This video guides you how to use the phone disassembly fixture 2.0. It is applicable to the removal of rear covers that are 7.5 inches or less of products in sandwich structure design. It is not applicable to models in other designs. Prepare the required tools before the operation. Place the phone on the heating platform with the rear cover facing down. Heat the phone at 65 degrees for 3 minutes. Turn over the support panel. Place the properly heated product on the fixture support plate. Close the support plate carefully. Move the vacuum cup to the bottom of the phone. Rotate the handle clockwise to fix the phone. Keep rotating the handle until a snap sound is heard. Press the support plate downwards. Fasten the catch of the vacuum cup to fix the rear cover. Rotate the threaded lead screw clockwise until a gap is opened between the rear cover and the front cover assembly. Swipe the opening pick along the two sides of the phone to cut the adhesive and separate the rear cover. Rotate the threaded lead screw counterclockwise to adjust it to the original position. Unfasten the catch of the vacuum cup. Rotate the handle counterclockwise to loosen the limiting plate. Open the support panel. Take out the phone. Swipe the opening pick along the short edges to separate the rear cover.